Alright, it's just going to be a quick one today because my delivery for part of my service kit turned up. I'm still waiting on the oil and the oil filter. We've already done the spark plugs and the caps, but air filter turned up. So rather than keeping the box in the house, I'm just going to do it straight away because I'm impatient. So I thought I'd record the session so you can see how quick and easy it is. Realistically, with the older monsters, pretty much anyone can service the oil and the air regular yearly filter change. They're 5 minutes work. Spark plugs are nice and easy, which you've already seen. This is going to take less than a minute. The oil change is a nice simple process, except on mine because I've got the belly pan, which is moderately annoying, but again, simple. And because it's not a monster, it's not a bad one to do yourself. Belts require a little bit more ambition, I think is the right word. But other than that, these are 5 minute jobs that you can do and save yourself a fortune. Of course, the Desmo service is a bit more expensive and a bit harder to do yourself, but I've done mine, so I've got a little while to wait for that. So first step, off comes the seat. Put that down on the ground. Then the tank. Up it comes. Now, when the tank comes up, you've got underneath here a little arm to prop up your tank. And you can see it just props just across there. Mine is filthy, and I actually think that's rusted quite badly. It's only surface rust by the looks of it. And you can see that problem. So let's just unclip. There we go. Come on. There we go. And that side. So these just unclip. And if you've got the full airbox, which I do, this just slides straight out. L filters underneath. Mine, as you can see, it's a little bit grimy around the edges. A bit grimy overall, but not terrible. Considering I put, according to the Speedo, only about just under 2,000 miles last year, I think. Which is not great because I've had a year, and between this and the Versus, I don't get good mileage. Well, I'm not getting enough seat time on this, rather. So this just a high-low filter off of eBay. So take our filter, pop the old one out. A new one just slots straight in. Not a problem with it at all. And it goes in nice and square. And you'll see it actually seats in the groove around here. And then it's just a simple case of popping these clips back on, which again I think are a bit surface rusty. And I might stand on and clip because you can see it just rub down a little bit of paint and actually come up quite nicely. There is a bar underneath here that can come loose if you don't keep hold of the clips as you're undoing it. But all four of them get clipped on. The bar comes back down and clips away. Tank's back on. Is that clipped? Come on, clipping. There we go. And on goes my seat. And that's the whole process, all done. So all I've got to wait for now is my oil to turn up and the filter, and we're good. Other than that, she all runs fine. Give her a quick test. Oh, it's not been run for a little while. There we go. But she sounds beautiful. I might take her out for a ride this weekend. The weather turns out nice. Just going to kill that so you can actually hear what I'm saying. But I might take her out for a ride over the weekend if the weather's nice. I do have some more work to do on the adrenaline because I'm still diagnosing why I've got no spark, which is taking me far too long. But if my oil filter turns up, I might actually do that at the weekend as well and then take her for a run because I enjoy that. I did do the Hastings run the other day on this bike and with the new exhaust, and I really enjoyed them. I think the new exhausts are working out for me. I like it slightly quieter, but still loud enough. Alright, well, hopefully you'll see this bike again quite quickly when I get the oil filter turning up. Alright, cheers.